Men, we're gonna show you guys how to make the absolute easiest Valentine's Day gift for your girlfriends. He says that it's cringy, but I think it's cute. It literally costs $10. You're gonna get a pack of strawberries and you're gonna rinse them off in the sink and dry them. You're gonna get a bowl that you can microwave and some chocolate chips. And you're gonna pour some chocolate chips into the bowl. Quit! That's a good amount of chocolate chips. And you're gonna heat this bowl in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then you're gonna stir it 30 seconds again, stir it 30 seconds again. So a minute and a half total, but stir in between every 30 seconds. If your microwave is like higher than 1,000 watts, do the last one on like 10 or 20 seconds so you don't burn it. The key to making the chocolate thinner is adding liquid coconut oil. Just like put like that much in and it'll make the chocolate way runnier and easier to dip the strawberries in. Now you're just gonna need like a piece of parchment paper or wax paper so that once you dip the strawberries you can place them on. And now I'm gonna have Tanner dip a strawberry so you fellas can see how easy it is. You're gonna pinch all the leaves up and then just dip it in and swirl it around until it's pretty much all the way to the stems.
Whoa, see how easy that was? Alright, now I'm gonna put it on the parchment paper.
Put it on the parchment. Tanner.
Oh, don't turn it off.
Now you're just gonna do this with your whole pack of strawberries. That is what they should look like when they're all done. Some tips: make sure you really dry your strawberries off because chocolate and water do not mix very well. And then use Ghirardelli chocolate chips if you can find them because they melt and just coat 10 times easier. Happy Valentine's gift making, fellas.